Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add voice isolation on iPhone. So if you want to add voice isolation on your iPhone, so as to reduce ambient noise each time you have an incoming calls on your iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to add voice isolation on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, you just need to scroll down, locate and click on accessibility. On the accessibility page, scroll down, keep scrolling, click on audio and visual. Once you selected audio and visual, then scroll down, you should see add voice isolation. If this is disabled, go ahead and turn that on. Once turn on voice isolation, and then you are good to go. So when next you have an incoming call on your iPhone, all you need to do to turn on voice isolation is swipe down the control center, locate and click on the phone app or phone controls. Then once you selected phone controls, locate and click on voice isolation. If you have standard automatic, just go ahead and choose voice isolation and then you're good to go. So that is exactly how to add voice isolation on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.